Ever felt that sluggish response from your trusty Ford truck? That frustrating hesitation when you hit the gas, making you wonder if your powerful 7.3L engine is truly delivering? Well, it might not be your engine at all, but something as fundamental as your accelerator pedal. Today, we're looking at an aftermarket accelerator gas pedal and sensor designed specifically for those iconic Ford F-Series Super Duty trucks and excursions from 1999 to 2001. This isn't just any pedal. It's a crucial component that directly translates your foot's command into engine action. The product claims to be a precise fit and a durable replacement, and honestly, that's exactly what you want when dealing with such a vital part of your vehicle's control system. It's compatible with the F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models, plus the Excursion, all within that specific 1999-2001 window. So if you've got one of these workhorses, listen up. What makes this particular pedal stand out? First off, it's constructed from metal. Now, that might sound obvious, but the emphasis here is on strong anti-corrosive properties. For a part that lives in the footwell, constantly exposed to moisture, dirt, and general wear, durability is paramount. You don't want a flimsy plastic component failing on you when you need reliable throttle response the most. This metal build gives a real sense of robustness, which is reassuring. But the pedal itself is only half the story. The integrated sensor is the true brains of the operation. This isn't just a mechanical linkage, it's a sophisticated piece of tech. It uses a Hall effect sensor, which is a pretty clever way to determine the pedal's exact position by detecting changes in a magnetic field. Why does this matter? Because precision is everything. This sensor tells your throttle body precisely how far to open, sending that critical data to your vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU. The ECU then relays that information to the fuel system and throttle body, ensuring your engine gets exactly what it needs, exactly when it needs it. A worn or faulty sensor can lead to all sorts of drivability issues: rough idling, poor acceleration, or even a check engine light. Replacing it with a precise, reliable unit like this can make a world of difference in how your truck feels and performs. Installation is another big plus point mentioned. The product description suggests it's fast to assemble and disassemble within a few minutes. While a few minutes might be optimistic for some DIYers, the fact that it's designed for straightforward replacement is a huge benefit. You're not looking at a complex multi-hour garage job, which saves both time and money. It comes as a complete unit, pedal and sensor ready to go. In essence, if your Ford 7.3L is feeling a bit tired or unresponsive from the pedal, this accelerator gas pedal and sensor offers a compelling solution. Its durable metal construction, combined with the precise Hall effect sensor technology, promises to restore that crisp, reliable throttle response you expect from your Super Duty. It's a vital upgrade for maintaining optimal engine performance and ensuring your driving experience is smooth and predictable. For owners of these classic Ford trucks, this could be the simple, effective fix you've been searching for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.